High ping, or latency, is the delay between your actions and the game's response, measured in milliseconds. In Fortnite, high ping leads to lag, delayed shots, and puts you at a disadvantage. Ideally, you want ping under 50 milliseconds for smooth gameplay. Anything above 100 milliseconds can be noticeably disruptive. We will guide you through understanding and fixing high ping. Several factors contribute to high ping in Fortnite. The main causes include geographical distance from servers, your internet connection quality, network hardware, and server load during peak times. Geographical distance is a major cause. Fortnite servers are mainly located in the United States, so players in distant regions like Europe, Asia, or South America experience higher latency due to the time it takes for data to travel across oceans. Your internet connection quality plays a crucial role. Slow upload speeds below 25 meg per sec can bottleneck data transmission. Jitter causes unpredictable ping variations, while packet loss occurs when data packets are dropped, leading to delays and errors. Network hardware issues can worsen ping. Wireless connections introduce more latency than wired Ethernet cables. Outdated routers or poor Wi-Fi coverage in your home can cause signal drops and inconsistent speeds. Finally, server load affects ping. When thousands of players are online simultaneously, especially during events or peak hours, Epic Games' servers can become overloaded, leading to increased latency and ping spikes for everyone. Fortnite allows you to manually select your server region. Access this option in the game settings. Choose the data center closest to your location. Selecting the correct server can significantly reduce your ping. If you are located in South America, be sure to select that new server location. Selecting the correct server can significantly reduce your ping. Remember to restart your game after changing server regions. The first step in optimizing your internet connection for Fortnite is switching to a wired Ethernet connection. Unlike Wi-Fi, which can be affected by interference and distance, Ethernet provides a direct, stable link from your router to your device, resulting in lower ping and more consistent speeds. Next, prioritize your game traffic using quality of service settings on your router. QoS allows you to allocate more bandwidth to Fortnite, ensuring that your gaming packets are processed first. This can significantly reduce ping during intense gameplay by preventing other devices or applications from hogging your connection. Finally, close background applications that are using your bandwidth. Large downloads, streaming services, or other online activities can compete with Fortnite for your internet resources, causing ping spikes. By pausing these and keeping only essential processes running, you ensure your connection is dedicated to gaming. A VPN, or virtual private network, can sometimes improve ping in Fortnite by routing your internet traffic through a more efficient path to the game servers. Instead of taking the direct route, which might be congested or longer, a VPN redirects your connection through its optimized network. Services like ExpressVPN and Mudfish are specifically designed to optimize gaming connections. They use specialized servers and routing techniques to potentially reduce ping by finding better paths to Fortnite servers. However, using a VPN may not always lower your ping and can sometimes introduce other issues if not configured properly, such as increased latency or connection instability. Be sure to research different VPN services and choose one that is right for your gaming setup and location. Hardware upgrades can significantly reduce ping in Fortnite. Start with a faster internet plan that offers higher bandwidth, providing more headroom for gaming and preventing bottlenecks from low upload speeds. Next, consider a gaming router equipped with quality of service settings. These routers prioritize gaming traffic and include ping optimization features that can reduce latency by up to 50%, especially when compared to standard routers. If you must use Wi-Fi, switch to a mesh Wi-Fi system. Unlike single routers, mesh networks ensure stable connections throughout your home, eliminating dead zones and maintaining consistent signal strength for smoother gameplay. For advanced troubleshooting, start by updating your network drivers. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues, leading to higher ping in Fortnite. Access your device manager and update the network adapter software to ensure optimal performance. Next, configure port forwarding on your router. Forward the specific ports used by Fortnite, UDP 222 and the range 5795-5847. This creates a direct path for game data, bypassing potential router restrictions that could increase ping. Finally, if these steps don't resolve your high ping issues, reach out to your internet service provider. They can check for connection throttling or other network problems that might be causing latency in Fortnite. Epic Games is continually working to improve Fortnite's network performance. Expect to see further optimizations in netcode, server infrastructure, and matchmaking algorithms. Expect to see further optimizations in netcode, server infrastructure, and matchmaking algorithms. Trends like 5G and satellite internet may also democratize low ping access in the future. Also, expect more integration of AI-driven matchmaking to help with ping issues. By understanding the causes and implementing these solutions, you can minimize lag and enjoy a smoother Fortnite experience. With ongoing advancements, Fortnite players can look forward to even better network performance and reduced lag in the future.